this is it. This is the box. I haven't unpacked it as yet. It's made by it's a very generic box, you can see. Anyway, let's get going. So, first thing you find is this card, which on the rear says something about charging the camera, which I won't go into now. What looks like a video cable. This looks like the camera itself. This looks like a micro USB cable. A suction cup mount. The rear camera. Power supply. Obviously cigarette lighter power supply cable. Nice. An adhesive mount of some sort. Some sort of prizing tool. And the instructions.